There is a realm far beyond the distant horizon called LLAHECNAD. This enchanted realm is filled with magic and mythical beings, from demons to angels, and from humanoid machinery to humanoid animals, and also some regular human beings. Today's story, which is based on actual events, will be featuring the Demon King of LLAHECNAD, Letrak, and the Demon Prince Yorel, as they wage war with the Crocodile King, who is known throughout the realm as King Croc. Supposedly, King Croc and his general Genacyde committed blasphemy and defiance against the crowning of the new king of LLAHECNAD. It all started at the coronation of Letrak. See, Letrak is the king of the demon clan, but is now about to be the king of all of LLAHECNAD. The day was beautiful. Dignitaries from all of the realm was present for the coronation. Some gave their speech of well wishes and congratulations. Then out of nowhere, to everyone's surprise, King Croc and his general Genacyde took a fat dump in the coronation ceremony.
I don't know what kind of boot that you have on. But I said them not bad like your shoes lace. Them say crown a put out or crown a go. Nobody, none of that.
King Letrak was furious.
Come test me then, come rush me then. Any check for you and your friend, not try to send. They want the war, the sun is it.
He unleashed tremendous power as a reminder of who he was. The entire realm was in an uproar as some sided with Letrak and others with King Croc. And there are those who don't really care but enjoys a good showdown. Toxic to the core. Head Court Jester Ifun had this to say about the whole situation.
Him a do it everywhere you go. Look how much blood clot people come at Sunfest this year. When last Sunfest is 25,000 people. Our artists they on the last year and year before. I want to pull blood clot, not even 15,000, not even 12,000. I want to pull. Show call me and tell me, oh my God, but you can't sit down and talk about no blood clot about no Sunfest. Eh? Move on a blood clot and go, man.
So what caused all of this?
Well, in all honesty, based on what I heard, it would seem it was about some magic shoelaces. Some says it was about the crown.
Truth be told, it was never about any magic shoelaces, nor was it about the crown. See, the Demon Clan formed an alliance with the Crocodile Clan. The alliance was forged by King Croc and the Demon King in a time when the Demon King was banished from the realm by Vogue, the powerful council, whose jurisdiction stretches beyond the realm of LLAHECNAD. The Demon King was no longer banished and ended up in a behind-the-scenes disagreement with the Crocodile King. And now it is all coming to light. As time passed, low-level demons here and there would try to defend the Demon King's honor. King Croc ignored them all, as in his mind they were not worthy, neither were they nowhere near his level. On a day when everyone in the realm was carrying on with their normal routine of life, the unexpected happened. Prince Yorel stepped up and challenged King Croc to a face-off in the name of his father. Prince Yorel was seen as a worthy opponent in King Croc's eyes, and he accepted the challenge. The realm was in overdrive with excitement as everyone filled up the Colosseum, waiting, anticipating the showdown. Yorel steps in and so do King Croc instantly, and the crowd goes wild. Yorel threw the first blow without hesitation.
Be what I be, don't be what I not. And no size up with it done. Tell you where the green mama but I can't touch them. He make Masicka look like mosquito. So then send them.
He made a mockery of King Croc, and the crowd loved it. The Crocodile King wasted no time recovering. and immediately responded.
Gunman, one plant crocodile west side on my sound. Bullet up and face, spoil up a crown. South side, anywhere we drive up. Suck pussy family, you will lie down a ground. Both sides up.
The crowd was on fire. They never knew the young Croc had it in him, after all. The blows and back and forth continues between the Demon Prince and the Crocodile King, and the realm was ecstatic. See the audience. They loved the barbarism. Then out of nowhere, this happened.
Ain't true, me say fuck them system. See them stylish hype on this skim. I show them licky boy, they love bling bling. And can't stand up on them own but this king. But for the show, yeah, we outside risking. Gun load, me say no nice listening. For the foes, I'm over, I'm gonna missing. I the ask me for song, I'm in no lip sing. I miss a dog, I'm a Philip, the gun brings in.
King Croc tried to take out the Demon King and Prince at the same time, but the Demon King ignored his attack as if it never happened. Yorel, on the other hand, got more consumed with anger due to this attempt, and was somehow able to replicate the powers King Croc used on his last attack.
Who that I lose sympathy? Me no sorry boy, me want this money. In a world of our system, oh God,